Hi, Christian. Hi, baby. What do you have all over your face there? You turned into an orange monster. Christian. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Are you eating squash? Christian, are you eating squash? Is that what that is on that spoon? You want some more? Do you want some more, sweetheart? Huh, do you? Do you want some more? You've had a lot already. There's a little bit more for you. Yeah. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Christian. Say, I like sucking on my fingers now. I'm sitting in my chair. Everybody like my chair? Say hi, family. I like my chair. I'm a big boy now. I'm a big boy. Huh, Christian? Yeah, tell everybody you're a big boy. Because I'm going to be 5 months old, huh? 5 months old on Monday. Yes, that's some exciting stuff, Christian. Brrrr. Brrrr, Christian. Brrrr. Yarn, yarn, yarn. La 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 la. Pagoo, Christian. Yummy stuff, Christian. What do you think, huh? What do you think about all this squash? So I've had bananas so far, peaches. Yeah, I think I like bananas so far. And applesauce we've had, right? Some applesauce. Oh, oh. Here you go. Oh, you got it on your bib now. Look, we don't want that over there. We don't want that over there. Now they put it over here. Yeah. This is just some good stuff. Good stuff, isn't it, Christian? Yeah. I'm learning how to eat. Yes. Yummy, yummy in my tummy now. Here we. Huh? You want some more? Say hi, family. Hi, everybody. Hi. Here we go, sweetheart. Here we go. Good boy. Good boy. You're doing so good. Yes, you are doing so good. Say we love you. We just love the Christian. Excuse my camera tilt. Here we go, sweetheart. La 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 la. Good boy. Good boy now. Squash. Yeah. All over my face. All over my bib. I just get into everything. I sure do. Yes. Okay. I think that's... We'll sign off and we'll say goodbye to everybody. Oh, woo, 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 Christian. Good stuff. Say okay. Good to see everybody. Love you. We'll see you again soon. Huh, Christian? We'll see you again soon. What you doing sucking on your fingers? Huh? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Christian. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.